Hi everyone! Welcome to the channel Handmade. This is a Porsche Cayenne made of plasticine. The gray one is hard plasticine clay, and the orange one is even harder NSP plastiline. I covered the windows with the plasticine layer to protect the interior of the car from being painted over. And after painting, I will install glass made of transparent plastic. I will paint it with yellow Tamiya spray paint. After the touch-up, I finished the work on the car and installed the wheels. That's the result. The painting isn't very successful. There are drips because paint began to drain at some parts of the car. When I removed the protective elements from the windows, I saw that the paint had leaked inside and spoiled the glass, so I had to take them all out. Only the windshield remained clean without paint. If we overlook the nuances of the painting, then the whole model turned out quite cool. I managed to convey all the shapes and geometry as in the original model. I get my inspiration from the video game, Forza Horizon, and the mobile app, Form a Car. It's possible to get a good look at the car's interior there. I also made a car with the help of blueprints. It took me 77 hours and 10 days to create this car. All this was created in order to crush the car with a bicycle. This is strange and unusual, but this is my channel. I like to destroy cars, as they are all made of plasticine clay, so it turns out very realistic. But before that, I will tell you more about this Porsche. It has a lot of elements that were printed on the printer. The dashboard, logo, and clock were all printed out. This way, their quality is better since I don't have to draw it myself, and it helped me save time. The brake discs are also printed out. You can even see the logo of the Brembo brand, so the wheels look even more realistic. Now I'll show you how I detailed the engine in this Porsche. In real life, this clash may be compared with the crash with a huge mining dump truck. Let's destroy this plasticine Porsche with a bicycle. It will be very epic. Well, soon it will turn into a squeezed cake, but first I will try to jump over it. I think it should work. I jumped over it with the front wheel, but not the rear one. It's good that I just hit it with the rear wheel, but not crushed it. There were only a few scratches on the Porsche, and the side mirror flew off. Also, you can see that the hood and the roof are slightly dented. Damn, I can't look at it. My poor Porsche is totally crushed. It was just a bicycle. Can you imagine the destruction by the real car? Probably I will have to pick out the plasticine from the tread of the tires. One side is destroyed mostly. The front part is very much crashed. There are many paint cracks. The wheels are bent and the engine is crushed to a pulp. The roof frame was bent into the cabin, but the steering wheel remains intact. The rear part of the car is more intact. Only the roof is crushed. Now I'm going to crush it completely. Are you ready to see it? Here, at least the side part of the car remained intact, but in the center, everything is completely crushed. Even the traces of the bicycle tire are noticeable. They are very well imprinted on the plasticine clay. I think it's time to stop this crash test. Let's save at least something of this Porsche. Now you know how the plasticine car crashed by a bicycle looks like. And now, as always, I will show you the process of creating this Porsche step by step. I hope this video is interesting for you, so if you like my unusual plasticine creativity, subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will hone my craft to please you with the new improved plasticine cars. Thanks for watching my video. See you!